Okay, hello everyone. Let's continue our topic, math functions and number methods. Let's try x equal 10.75 and use the function absolute x. APS of x. The result will be 10.75 because x is already a positive number, but we will modify the sign of x to be negative 10.75 and try again the absolute function. The result will be positive 10.75. Let's use another function, round of x. It will be minus 11. Because x equal minus 10.75, so rounding x will lead to minus 11. Let's try round 50.624. The result will be 51. Again, round 50.2. The result will be 50. The round function takes another argument. Let's try the same example as before, 50.624, 2. This second argument is used to round our number to 2 decimal places. So it's 50.62. Another example will be 50.63. Okay. So the first example is 50.62. The second is 50.63. Let's try round 43.45862, 4. So we want to round our number to 4 decimal places. So the result will be 43.4586. This second argument in our round function cannot be a float number. It should be an integer, or we will have an error. So if you try to put 5.4 in the second argument, you will have an error. Float object cannot be interpreted as an integer. so it should be an integer number, not float. Let's try the power. 5 to the power 5 will be 3125. 2 to the power 3 will be 8. We have a function called power or bow. Bow 2, 3 means 2 to the power 3. So the result will be 8. Let's try 5 to the power 5. The result will be 3125. It's the same as 5 star star 5. Also, the power could be a negative number, like 3 to the power minus 1. It will be 0.33333. The same as 1 over 3. Okay. We know that 3 to the power 3 is 27. Okay? And the 27 modulus 2 equal 1. Means that the remaining of the division of 27 over 2 is 1. Okay, so we can do it in one step. 3 to the power 3 modulus 2 will be 1. The function power or pow can use a third argument. When you write pow 3, 3, 2, it's the same as 3 to the power 3, then the result modulus 2 will be 1. Another example is a function called isInteger. The float number in Python have a function called isInteger. To check if the float number has fractional part or not. In our case, 10.56 is false. It's not an integer. Okay? But 10.00 dot is integer, the result will be true because it doesn't have a fractional part. So the function isInteger will return true if the number has no fractional part, and it will return false if the number has fractional part. Okay? We are done for now. We will continue with how to format numbers inside strings and how to use complex numbers. So, see you next lesson, and bye.